In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use filters in Todoist, a great tool for organizing your tasks efficiently. If you're already using Todoist or just getting started, filters can be a real game changer when it comes to managing your tasks and projects. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.todoist.com login. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. This includes typing in your email and then your password. If you've set up your account to sign in through third-party services, you can alternatively log in by clicking on options like Continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. This is a handy feature if you want to speed things up and avoid remembering yet another password. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the section labeled Filters and Labels. This is where we'll be focusing our efforts today. Look for the add icon next to filters and click on it. This is where the magic begins, by allowing you to tailor views of your tasks that match specific criteria. Now it's time to give your filter a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. This will make it easy to recognize and access in the future. Think about what you want to achieve with the filter, whether it's viewing high priority work tasks or your personal errands set for the next week. Next, you'll want to enter your search query. This is where Todoist's powerful filtering capabilities come into play. Use keywords like project followed by the project name, label, due date, or priority level to refine what you see. For example, if you're looking to focus on your urgent tasks, your query might look like project, work and due, today and priority, high. This flexibility allows you to hone in on exactly what you need. Now, after you've entered your desired search criteria, click the Save button. This action finalizes the creation of your filter, making it ready to use whenever you need. A proactive approach might include setting up filters for various scenarios, like tasks that you need to complete today or this week, ensuring you don't miss any deadlines. Let me share a few example filters to spark some ideas. You could create one for urgent tasks due today, with the query project, work and due, today and priority, high, or a filter to track personal errands for next week by using project, personal and due next week. Another example might be tracking specific tasks assigned to you with a design label, using assigned to me and label design, and that's it. By understanding and using filters in Todoist, you're paving the way to a more organized and efficient workflow. The ability to quickly access exactly what you need when you need it is critical to staying on top of your tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.